Hello and welcome to my channel once again, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. I hope you enjoyed the video. We're going to be finding the missing numbers from a list of integers using Python. Okay, on my screen I already have what we'll be doing, the task. It says find the missing numbers in a Python list ranging from -9 to 50 and print the only missing numbers. And our list, we've been given the list, and the solution is print only the missing numbers. So let's get right into it. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'll just copy this list since I've been given this list. Control C and Control V. Okay, good. And then I would like to print out this list so we'll be able to see it. Say given list will be equal to list 1. Yeah. Okay. Then from there we'll create a variable a equal to list. We'll cast this into a list. List. Say from range of -9 to 51. Why I said 51 instead of 50? Because if we stop on 50, the list will end on 49. So we'd rather use 51. So now create a variable called missing numbers. This is our missing numbers, and it's going to be an empty list. List. Yeah. Now for x in A, if x in list 1, we should continue. That is, we should skip it and say missing numbers dot append x. We should append x to the missing numbers. So whatever x will be appended into our list, and as easy as that. Well, say our missing numbers equal to missing numbers. That's it. So we'll save this, Control S, and run it. Say Python 3 missing numbers, and voila, there we have it. We see minus. You see there's no -1 in it, -2, no -1, no 0. We don't have 15. We don't have 12. That's just it. This is the missing numbers and the given numbers. So there it is. It's as easy as that. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and also hitting the like button and the notification for more of these videos, simple Python tricks. So see you next time, same channel next week.